Webb School of Engineering has three departments. There's computer science, mathematics, and electrical and computer engineering. And between those we have about 9 programs. And all of those programs tend to provide students with a good, solid foundation. So if they want to go into grad school, they're well prepared. If they want to go and work in industry, they're also well prepared.
The technology and the resources that we have here are outstanding. The makerspace is an area specifically for engineers, and it's kind of a two-part thing. It has a ton of resources like 3D printers, more technology, computers, all of that kind of thing in there. But it also is a community space for engineers to collaborate.
Students here get a fairly unique education from an engineering perspective, in the sense that we are an engineering department embedded within a liberal arts school. So the students get to learn a lot of life skills that really prepare them for employment as an engineer or a computer scientist or a mathematician. And those skills include critical thinking and so forth that you get from that liberal arts side. Most engineering schools are not in that kind of environment.
Here from day one, the head of the engineering program knew my name, knew what I wanted to achieve, and was totally willing to help me get there.
Wozniak, or Woz as he likes to be called, has had a fairly long association with the school. He mostly works with computer science students and engineering students. He's very much interested in mentoring the students and working with them. He's always there for them. He's happy to take email from them and respond to them that way. It's a unique opportunity for the students, and one they don't get anywhere else.